Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Sagittarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, guys, that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have 3 of stars in reverse, 4 of spheres in reverse and 10 of stars in reverse. So Sagittarius, in your work situation or in your relationship, guys, maybe you are feeling left out, or you may see people trying to avoid you. Maybe in your circumstances they do not want to listen to you, listen to your ideas and suggestions. So that may be the reason they are trying to avoid telling you anything today, guys. So it may be people in your work or in your personal life. So you are someone wise and you have a lot of knowledge, guys. So that may be the reason you are trying to guide them in certain things. Maybe you are going out of your way trying to help others, but people may not like your advice and suggestions. So though you are giving them some good ideas, something that is going to help them to come out of difficulty, people may not like the way you are barging in and telling them what they need to do today, guys. And also in your circumstances, Sagittarius, you may see some difficulties, maybe financial difficulties. Something may not happen as expected. So in your work regarding some projects or maybe some work related beginnings, maybe a beginning of a project or assignment, whatever it is, it may see some delays or something may get suspended. But if you are able to hold on, guys, patiently, wait for your circumstances to change. There is a change coming very soon. So instead of reacting and making some wrong choice, if you are able to hold on, wait for the right time, things are going to fall into place in your circumstances, Sagittarius. So the same way, even in this relationship, maybe with this person you love, they are trying to avoid you for some reason. They are maybe they don't want to tell you the truth and they don't want to listen to your ideas. Maybe they know what you will tell them, you will give them the right idea, but it is very difficult on their part to follow that. Maybe that may be the reason they are not willing to reveal what is there in their heart. Maybe whatever challenges they are facing today, they want to handle this circumstance by themselves. But Sagittarius, if you are the person in some challenging situation, guys, maybe in this relationship, maybe you are trying to avoid this person, you are trying to keep something as a secret, you don't want any advice or suggestions. Maybe you are seeing things clearing up for you today. So there is a temporary break, something is going to relieve you today, some changes that is going to be a great relief for you, and you need to make use of this lucky change coming your way, guys. So if you can do that, you are going to see a change in your life, in your personal life. So there may be some opportunity coming, helping you out of this challenging situation, Sagittarius. So what is the card for your relationship? We have Seven of Suns in reverse. So with this card, guys, you may have some doubt or confusion, because you feel that people are not willing to tell you something, they are avoiding you. Maybe again we have the same energy here. So you feel embarrassed and you may be in a lot of doubt. But if you want clarity, guys, you must go for that open communication, Sagittarius, with this person you love. So for your career situation, we have Four of Stars. So with this card, guys, maybe in your work situation, guys, Sagittarius, you need to think and then go for any important decision. So you should not make any impulsive choices. That is not going to help you in any way. So you need to think clearly, take stock of your situation, and then go for that right decision in your work situation, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. The first card, it is Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe you may have someone really close to you, someone truly concerned about your welfare, but they are holding some truth from you. They are not telling you something. It may be something important, something vital in your life's journey, but they are doing it out of love for you. They are concerned about you and they don't want to cause any pain for you. But no matter what, this secret itself is going to take you into some difficult circumstance, guys, but you need not worry because you will be coming out of it successfully. So you just have to have that courage in your heart, and when you come out of this difficult situation, you will have people supporting you, maybe even during the ordeal you are going to face, maybe in your life today. There are some challenging situations, but you need not worry. You will have the people you love with you, and you will see a way out of this difficult circumstance today, guys. And these people will be able to help you and guide you, so you need not worry. And this card just means that you are on the path to some kind of a very greater understanding, something like an awakening. So it may be a spiritual change you are seeing in your heart, or some kind of an emotional change. So that gives much clarity in your thoughts and actions. That is what is coming towards you. So you can be happy for that. And maybe through these circumstances, you are going to get that chance for a better, a clearer mind today, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is commitment. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in our life, in our day-to-day life, we just we just see our circumstances going in such a way, but we should not try to understand it, guys. Maybe we must try to trust the changes happening in our life. So you will be seeing challenges in your personal transformation that is happening right now. So you need not try to create or take the steps needed, control the way things are going, maybe the map of the journey or the terrain of your journey. You just need to take simple steps today. So, however life is unfolding in front of you, you must embrace it with open arms, with that open heartedness, and simply embracing it just like a child with curiosity. So you need not have that fear or desire to bend your life according to your will. That will be an unnecessary battle today, guys. So whatever is unfolding is what is your life's journey, and that divine will is working with your heart, your soul. So whatever is your soul's journey, that is what is unfolding in your physical world today, guys. So you just have to have that trust in yourself and take that simpler steps, move along in your life step by step, and that divine will is moving you, and the fulfillment of your destiny is what is happening today, guys. So life is not working in a cross purpose with you. It is the co-conspirator of your heart. So if you want that harmony, balance today in your circumstances, that peace and stillness, happiness, you just need to be aware of your present and embrace it with commitment from your heart, and take one step at a time. So that is going to make things easier for you, and that is the right way, and that will be the right way your life, your beautiful destiny will unfold in front of you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you do, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.